If Steam is showing an already running error, or you're running into a missing file privileges problem while installing or updating a game, don't worry. This is usually a permission issue, and in this video, I'll show you two of the most effective fixes. The first method is the Task Manager Purge, and the second is the moving strategy, which can often reset the file permissions and get Steam working again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about why this happens. A Steam missing file privileges error usually means Steam is being blocked from writing, modifying, or deleting a file it needs during an update or installation. That can happen because of background programs, security tools, or file permission conflicts inside Windows. One of the most successful fixes shared by users is to close any background modules that may be hooking into the game files. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. If you don't see the full view, click More Details. Then look through the Processes tab and search for igfxEM. This is an Intel background module that can sometimes interfere with Steam file access. If you find it, right-click it and choose End Task. If there are multiple related processes, close them as well, but only if you recognize them and they're not essential to something you're actively using. After that, go back to Steam and try the download or update again. In many cases, that alone is enough to clear the error. If the problem is still there, move on to the second method, which is the moving strategy. This works because moving the game to another drive can force Windows to rewrite the security descriptors for the game files, which often clears the privilege issue. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click the affected game, and choose Properties. From there, go to Installed Files or the Storage section, depending on your Steam version. If you have a second drive available, select the Move Install Folder option and choose the other drive. Let Steam move the files completely before you interrupt anything. Once the move finishes, try updating or launching the game again. This simple move can reset file permissions behind the scenes and fix the already running or missing file privileges error without needing a full reinstall. If you still have issues after that, a quick restart of your PC can help clear any locked processes, and running Steam as administrator may also improve access rights. But in most cases, these two steps are the ones that solve it fastest. So, to recap, first use Task Manager to end the igfxEM module if it's running. Then use Steam's Move function to shift the game to another drive and refresh the file permissions. These are two of the best fixes for Steam missing file privileges and already running errors. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.